Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Some of you asked me to show you how to make money on Etsy. Now, I personally don't work on Etsy, but I know a girl who is working on Etsy and she's making $3,000 per month working on Etsy. And she showed me what she's actually doing. So today I will show you what she showed me. So make sure to watch the entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Best and easiest way to make money on Etsy if you are just starting is with the print-on-demand companies, because those companies will deal with everything. You only need to provide the design and they will deal with printing, with shipping, with refund and everything. And you can sell all kind of stuff. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, hats, pillowcases, leggings, all kind of stuff. And let me just show you potential of print on demand on Etsy. So when we come here, for example, on clothing and shoes, obviously I'm a man, so I will go on men's clothing, and I will go on shirts. And I will go here on t-shirts. And here you can see all kind of t-shirts for men on Etsy. And 95% of these t-shirts are actually made with the print-on-demand companies. And here you can see people are making lots of money. 2,000 reviews, almost 1,000 reviews, 249 reviews, 6,600 reviews, 1,000, 2,000, and so on and so on. But this number of reviews is actually not the number of reviews for this t-shirt. So let's just open this t-shirt, for example. I will open this in new tab, and when you come here, you see price is $19.95, so basically $20. This item, this t-shirt, got 114 reviews, and the entire shop got 2,000 reviews. But when we come here, we will see that this guy made more than 15,000 sales. So I'm guessing he or she made more than $50,000 on Etsy selling print on demand. And like I said, you can sell all kinds of stuff on Etsy, not just t-shirts. So let's just go back on Etsy, and here I will type, for example, mug. And okay, mugs. And click search. And here you can see all kinds of mugs that are available on Etsy. And like I said, just like for t-shirts, 95% of these mugs are actually made with the print-on-demand companies. And here you can see 1,700 reviews, 1,500 reviews, 1,000 reviews, 2,500 reviews, and so on and so on. So people are making good money with print-on-demand. And like I said, all you have to do is just to provide design for that mug, for that t-shirt or legging, hat, or whatever you are selling, and print-on-demand company will do the rest. There is lots of print-on-demand companies that you can use. I used to use this company, Printful, but I'm not using them anymore because I'm working with Teespring now. And obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to sign up. Just click here on upper right corner on sign up. And you can sign up with Facebook, with your Gmail, with Apple account, or you can sign up with your email. After you sign up, you will need to confirm your email if you sign up with your email. And after that, you will come to your Printful dashboard. And after you come to your Printful dashboard, you can click here on Product Catalog, and it will show you all the available things that you can put your design on and sell it on Etsy, Shopify, or wherever you are selling. And when you scroll here, you can see men's clothing, we can see women's clothing, kids clothing, hats, accessories, home and living, collections. And here you can see each of these categories have lots of subcategories. And when we click men's t-shirts, for example, we are going to see that there is lots of t-shirts available. For example, unisex premium t-shirt, unisex basic t-shirt, all over print men's cover neck t-shirt, and so on and so on. So you have lots of choices, and because we wish to add this on Etsy, so I will go back. So when we come back on Printful dashboard, here in the left side, click on stores, and you will come to this page here. Give it a second to upload, and here you can see choose your store platform. click on choose store platform. Give it a second to upload, my internet is a bit slow. And here you can see all the stores that you can connect Printful with. You can connect with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, BigCommerce, Squarespace, Magento, eBay, Amazon, and so on and so on. And because we are talking about Etsy, I'm going to click here on connect with Etsy. And here you can see there is a video that will show you how to connect Printful with Etsy. But you don't really need to watch this video because it's really simple. As you can see, there is only 2 steps. And when you scroll here, you can see connect to Etsy. And when you click here on this button, it will ask you to log into your Etsy account and to allow Printful app to connect with Etsy. Click on allow and that's it. You connected Printful with Etsy. And all you have to do now is just provide the design and Printful will do the rest. And if you're not good at designing t-shirts or you don't know how to use Photoshop, you can simply go on Fiverr and pay someone to design a t-shirt for you. For example, I used to use this guy here a lot, and you can pay them, as you can see, only 8 euros. That is $10 for a standard package. And you can also hire this guy here. As you can see, he is from Indonesia. And don't get scared with this price, 26 euros, that is $30. It is better, trust me, it is better to pay $30, $40, $50, even $100 for a good t-shirt design than to pay $5 or $10 and lose time, lose money, and lose your nerves because that person didn't deliver what you expected. So it is better to pay $30, $40, $50, even $100 for a good t-shirt design. You can also hire this guy here, $20, or this guy here. I will leave you links to these guys in description so you can check them out. Or you can simply go on Fiverr and here search bar, just type t-shirt design and find someone who you think will design a good t-shirt for you. And like I said, Printful will deal with everything, so you don't have to do anything, you just need to provide design and Printful will deal with everything. They will deal with printing, with shipping, with refund and everything. And for me, when I was working with Shopify and Printful, it was easier for me to add my t-shirts, my designs here on Printful than to add them on Shopify. But for you, maybe it will be easier to add t-shirts directly on Etsy. Like I said, for me it was easier to add it on Printful, and Printful automatically add that t-shirt on my Shopify store. And also if you connected with Etsy, it will automatically add that t-shirt on your Etsy store. Now after we connected Etsy and we have our design, we need to click here on product templates. And we need to create templates. Templates make our life easier because you saw how many options just for men's t-shirts there are. So we can make template and we can only add, when we choose one of those templates, we can only add different title for that t-shirt, different description, different tags, different colors and sizes, and everything else will be the same like in that template. So like I said, templates make our life easier, and after you make those templates, you can start adding designs, t-shirts, mugs, leggings, or whatever you are doing. Now when we have our niche, when we have our product, and when we connected Printful with Etsy, now we need to promote this product. You can promote your product on Facebook groups, but I would actually not recommend to do that because in 95% of cases, Facebook groups do not allow direct promotion of products. Not t-shirt, not hats, affiliate products, nothing. And it is most likely that your post on those Facebook groups will be deleted, you will be marked as spammer and you will be banned from that group. So I would not recommend to advertise your t-shirts, mugs or whatever you're selling on Facebook groups. Now this girl, she told me that by far most efficient way and best way to promote your products on Etsy are actually Etsy ads. But if you are just starting and I'm guessing you don't have money for Etsy ads and you don't have knowledge and you don't have enough experience, then best way and best alternative for you are actually Instagram influencers. Simply come here on Instagram and here in search bar just type your main keyword, let's say dogs. And you need to go through these pages to check them out. Let's say this page here, for example, and I need to check this page. As you can see, they have 4.8 million followers. So this is a big page, and they have link in their description. So I would actually need to find different page, but I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to make this video way too long, so I'll just go through this page. Now I need to check their engagement. As you can see, 285,000 views, 284,000 views, 157,000 views, 324 comments. So they have pretty good engagement. So what I need to do now is I need to contact this page, to contact administrator of this page and to ask them, do they accept paid posts? And if they accept paid posts, I will ask them to tell me how much do they charge for the post in the feed with the link in bio, and how much do they charge for a story with a swipe up. And always negotiate the price. Let's say they say that price for a post in the feed with the link in bio is $30, you offer 15. And when they say it's too low, then offer 20. They may accept $20 for that post, and they also may accept $25. So you saved $5. I usually don't work with these big pages. I work with the pages between 100 and 200,000 followers, and I'm usually paying between $20 and $50 for the post in the feed with the link in the bio. And from my experience, story with the swipe up works better than the feed post. But you can test that. You can pay for the post in the feed with the link in bio. You can pay for a story with the swipe up. Test it with different videos, with different photos, with different descriptions, see what works, and then continue with that ad and ad copy. And when you get 50 or 100 sales and you get positive reviews, then Etsy will start driving traffic to that t-shirt, to that mug, or whatever you are selling, because Etsy is getting almost 360 million visits per month. And at that point, that t-shirt, that Etsy store, it becomes your passive income, because like I said, Etsy will drive traffic, will get you sales, so you won't have to do promotion, and you will start making passive income with Etsy. So this is how you make money with Etsy if you are a beginner. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.